Propel your online store to new heights by seamlessly integrating your GoDaddy domain with Shopify, giving your brand the professional edge it deserves. First, log into your GoDaddy account and navigate to your domain portfolio. Locate the domain you wish to connect to your Shopify store and click on it. On the domain settings page, scroll down until you find the DNS Management section. This is where we'll make the necessary adjustments to point your domain towards Shopify. Now, it's time to add in a record for the host field. Enter the @ symbol in the points to field. You'll need Shopify's IP address to find this. Head over to your Shopify admin, go to Settings, then Domains, and click Connect Existing Domain. Shopify will provide the exact IP address you need right there. Next, we'll add a CNAME record for the host. Type www for the points to field. You'll enter Shopify.com. This record ensures that users who type www before your domain name are also directed to your Shopify store. After saving these changes in GoDaddy, head back to your Shopify admin in the domain section. Click Connect Existing Domain and enter your GoDaddy domain name. Shopify will now verify the connection, which might take a few minutes or up to 48 hours for the DNS changes to propagate globally. Once verified, your GoDaddy domain will be successfully connected to your Shopify store, providing your business with a professional, branded online presence and enhancing your credibility. Congratulations, your store is now ready to shine with its unique web address.